Hello friends, welcome to Joe's Cookbook. Joe's Kitchenette Andhra to America's new name, Joe's Cookbook. Today's recipe is temple style Pongal. This is Varalakshmi Vratam special. Don't miss it, watch till the end and subscribe to Joe's Cookbook for more yummy recipes. Now let's get started. First of all, take a cooker and add 3 cups of water to it. Now to this I am going to add 1 cup of rice that I have soaked 30 minutes ahead of time. Close the lid and allow it to get up to 5 to 6 whistles on medium flame. Allow the cooker to cool down and open the lid. You can see the rice cooked really well. To a vessel, I am going to add 500 grams of jaggery. Allow this to cook on low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see our jaggery converted to a fine paste. Wait for 10 more minutes. Keep stirring this occasionally. It may take time. Meanwhile, we will roast some cashew nuts. For this, we are going to heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan and add some cashew nuts to it. If you like to add kismis, you can add it. Roast this on low flame until you get a nice aroma and golden brown color. Now transfer this to a bowl and then add finely sliced coconut. Roast it on low flame until it turns to brown color and then transfer it to a bowl. Now you can see our jaggery was almost done. You can see it converted to a thin liquid consistency. So it's time to add rice. After adding the rice, mix it properly. Make sure that there should be no lumps in it. Allow this to cook on low flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see our rice mixed well with jaggery. So now it's time to add ghee. Take half cup of ghee. You can also add the ghee you have used for roasting cashew nuts and coconut. Mix this well and allow it to cook for 5 more minutes. Now it's time to add crushed ilachi. Mix this well and allow it to cook on low flame for 2 more minutes. Keep mixing this or else you may end up in burning at the bottom. Now it's time to add roasted cashew nuts and roasted coconut. Give a mix and wait for a minute. Our pongal was ready to serve. Transfer this to a serving bowl. Very tasty temple style pongal was ready. I hope you like and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give a like, share and subscribe Joe's Cookbook. Thanks for watching.